Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Lean Media, available from leanmedia.org. I also talk a lot about Amazon programs, and today I'm going to be talking about Amazon seller promotions and how to edit a promotion. So here is my Amazon Seller Central account. I have a pro level account, so I have access to all these different types of promotional items. And by the way, I've created videos on several of these recently, so you can check them out. But what I want to do is I have an existing promotion. I want to edit it. So here's the story. I created this promotion. It's going to be running in April. I want to change the date to May. This is how you do it. So go to Amazon Seller Central, go to Advertising, Promotions. You'll come to this screen. The default is create a promotion. We don't want to do that. We want to edit one. To do that, go to Manage Your Promotions. Okay, here are my active promotions. So these are the promotions that are running right now. If I wanted to edit some of them, I can't do the coupons, but I can do the other ones like the percentage off or the buy one, get one free things. I just select View and Edit. I could change that. But I said I want to do one of my future promotions. That's one that hasn't even started yet. So go to this drop down that says Active, select Pending. That means in the future. Click Search. Here are the three promotions I have coming up soon. This is the one I want to change. Blue discount, buy two, get 15% discount, April 2019. I want to change that to May. So I can go to View, Edit. Here's the screen that has all the conditions and other things. Go to Scheduling. Right now, its start date is on April 1st, 2019. I want to go to May 1st. And remember, you have to change the end date too. So if I hit review, it would create an error because the start is after the end. So I need to change that to May. Okay, everything else looks good. If I wanted to, I could change text. I could even change things like the product that's being used, but I just want to change the scheduling. So I've just made that quick change. Now click review. It'll show you the basic information, including the terms and conditions and stuff. If I'm sure about it, and again, actually, I do want to change one thing. So I just changed the date, start and end date from May the 1st to May the 31st. But look at the tracking ID. It still says April. So just for my own reference, I want to fix that. So I'm going to go back, click on Advanced Options. It doesn't even show it. Oh, here. No, I can't. Unfortunately, I can't change the tracking ID. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to change the internal description just so I know. Okay, I'm gonna hit review. All right, yeah, that's better. Internal description, May 2009 edited. And then hit submit. Okay, so I've successfully edited this promotion. If I wanted to check it, I'd go back to Manage Promotions. In fact, let's do it the way many people would do it. Go to Amazon Seller Central, Advertising, Promotions. Click Manage Your Promotions. Promotion status is active. We want pending, which is in the future. Hit search. And here it is. Blue discount, buy two, get 15% discount, April 2019. They can't change that title, but they can. I did change the internal description, and you can see, here it is right here, edited. May 2019, edited. So that's all set to go. I just successfully did that. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon Seller and Amazon Advertising, Amazon Transparency, Amazon KDP, Amazon Advantage, all these crazy programs, I've written a book about creating media, which talks a lot about Amazon, actually. But if you go to leanmedia.org, click on blog, that's where I talk about specific programs like this. Not just Amazon, but other things too, like Amazon FBA royalty for books, publishing audiobooks, internet graphics, etc. If you click on video, you can see all these videos I've created about Lean Media and also Amazon YouTube channel. Click on that. Lean Media YouTube channel. There must be probably 20, 30 different videos about Amazon Seller and other types of Amazon programs that you can watch for free. Go to leanmedia.org for more information or check out my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.